This 2016 Northwood Arctic Fox 24J is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Northwood is 27 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, spare tire kit, stove top burner, water heater, refrigerator, microwave, LP detector, oven, smoke detector, TV, leveling jacks, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Northwood Arctic Fox 24J is 6,530 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.